All right, so we're carrying on. Oh my goodness, we've gone far too far. Hold on a second. Okay, we're carrying on with negative indices. So this is the next part. So they're going to say write the following with positive indices. So you can see how you've got your brackets and you've got your negative to the power of -1. So the first thing you're going to do is apply the sixth index law. Probably don't remember what that is, but that means that you've got to attach that -1 to the top number and you've got to attach it to the bottom number. So it looks like this. There you go. So now you've got 3 to the power of -1 divided by 5 to the power of -1. Okay, so you write it out like that. Now we're going to apply the rule that we've already learned, that when something it looks like this with negatives, we change them into another fraction. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so we go 1 on our top to the power, and we put over 3 as our base, and it's negative, make that into a positive indice, and 1 we don't have to write in, it's just 3. Okay, then we put our positive base again to the power of 1. We don't have to do that because it keeps the same. So we basically change that into a third divided by a fifth. Now, as you remember, which I hope you do, when you're dividing fractions, what we do in our next step is we keep our first fraction, we put a times sign in, and we switcheroo these around. Do you remember doing those? Okay. And that's how we do division. So as soon as we write it down, and then on our next line, we write down our first fraction as normal, multiplication sign, switcheroo the second one. Then we go 1 times 5 and 3 times 1, which is 5 over 3, which is our final answer. All right, so what I want you to do is write this out, watch it again, write it out so that you can see how each step goes. And once you've done it a few times, you'll get the gist of it.